Oh my God! Just watch how this crocodile, I think this is crocodile, I don't know, is gonna swallow this animal alive. Like, I don't know. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Oh, does that mean that this animal can't run or what? Ah, Jesus. He's on his head. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Jeez. Ooh, are you seeing that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. And the goat is still screaming. Jesus. Why don't you run for your life? Ooh, this thing is very, very extremely cool, 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 cool. Can you imagine? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Like this. Oh man, this thing can swallow human being. Like, yeah, it's gonna eat human being. Oh, oh, hmm. Jesus, just like that. Jeez, is there any other vacancy on this thing's tummy or what? Cow shit, unbelievable.